Hi everyone, Nicole here. Let's take a look at later.com and the free account. When you go to later.com, you can read a little bit about it and look at the pricing. And right away they show you the paid accounts. So I want you to slide down and you'll see the free plan and the features that you get in the free plan. And obviously you're not going to get everything you get in the paid plans, but I liked the free plan. I used to use it quite a bit a couple of years ago, and then they recently just took it down from 30 posts a month to 10 posts a month for each of your social profiles. Now, on this program, you are allowed one social media set for free. And let me kind of show you what that looks like. So for you guys, let me see, how do I get here? I'm going to go back to later. Let's click there. You would click on create a free account. Okay. I already have a free account, so I'm going to go over here to sign in. And it has my stuff memorized. Hit sign in again. And here I am on the dashboard. Now, right now, the Instagram is highlighted. Facebook is here, but it doesn't highlight until I click on it. And let's see, this is LinkedIn. And I don't have anything else on here. The only other thing I want to add is my Twitter account. I haven't paid a lot of attention to it, and as long as I'm posting to the other sites, I might as well let a post go there as well. So when I clicked on that, it opened up this box, Add Social Profile to Main Group. Select an empty social profile slot. So I'm going to select right here. Now don't let your eyes go down and get confused where it says upgrade plan to add more social sets. We're not trying to add another social set. We're just adding one more profile in the set that I already have. So click on the Twitter guy there, the little plus sign, and then I come down here and it says add social profile. Click again. And it looks like we have successfully saved it. Yay! So now, let's see. It says that I see there's a little alert here, like some writing in a very pale red. And it says, my Instagram business account is about to expire soon. Hit refresh. And it says refreshing. Seems to be taking quite a bit though, so we'll see what happens there. It's not expired yet though. Okay, and now I think we are good. So now I'm going to go back to my social sets, although this still says refreshing, so maybe I better give it another minute. It's funny how used we've become to having things done quickly. We don't like to wait for anything, at least if you're like me. I think many of us are. And it doesn't seem to be doing anything. So we are going to leave that right now because it's not expired anyhow. So I just want to get back and try to post to all of my profiles at one time. Let's see, let's look at edit here real quick. Let's see what that shows. Okay, same. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so we don't have to edit anything there. Let's go back to calendar. Here we go. So now let me try to click these little check marks. And those 4 are highlighted. Now I am going to grab a, well, actually, let me show you how to upload media. This is all media that I've used except this one guy right up here I just added in. But let's add some more in so you can see how it's done. all I did was click on upload media right here, and I happen to have it opening up to where my new downloads are. And I think I'm going to add several in so I don't have to keep going back and forth and looking for new things. So I'm going to add a bunch in all at once. And we have to wait for those to load, but you can see it's loading all of these memes over here for me. Now, I could have just uploaded one, but I wanted to upload a bunch so I don't have to keep doing it. Okay. Okay, so now let's go over here. Let's grab this guy, and it is about 5:15, so I want to go after. Actually, let's go for tomorrow morning. Oh no, I want you to see it. So let's go 5 right there. Let's go. This is going to publish at 5:35. It's 5:15. I can come back on and show you what it looks like. Now here's where I would write my caption. In this competitive market, it is imperative to get your pre-approval before we start looking. Call me and I can help you get started. And actually, I am going to change that to message me. PM me. There we go. Okay. And I think that's, oh, let's see. Let's go ahead and add a couple of hashtags. I like the hashtags because I can be easily found. If somebody hashtags my name, a lot of my posts will come up. So you kind of give yourself more of a presence, I think, on Google and everything if you do use the hashtags. Okay, customize these 4 posts will be automatically published. Okay, and what day now? Let's go for, oh no, we were doing it, that's right, we're doing it 5:35 so that I can show you guys. But actually, I'm not happy with that. I am going to make it Saturday, and I want to make it at 8 a.m. on a Saturday. Oops, hitting the wrong button. I thought that was for the, there we go. 8 a.m., April 30th, okay? Let's leave that there. Make sure it says the same when I look up here. It does. And now we're going to hit customize. And actually, though, there's nothing else that I need to add. I'm happy with that. This is how it'll look on my Instagram. This is how it'll look on Facebook. This is how it'll look on LinkedIn. And this is how it'll look on Twitter. Okay, I am happy. So I am going to hit save the 4 posts. And now here's all of the 4 posts right here ready to go. Okay, and now that'll post for me automatically tomorrow morning. If you would like to see one right now, let's see, I'm going to post that just so you understand again though, that 4 little pictures here is on a scheduled post, and it's going to post to my Instagram, to my Facebook, to my LinkedIn, and my Twitter. Now, I'm going to do one right now just so you can see how it can post quickly for you as well. But I only want to send it to, let's send it to Twitter and LinkedIn because I've already posted on these 2 today. So I am going to send this one right here, Born to Sell, and let's make that 25, 29th at, here we go, 25 p.m. Okay, now type right in here, because then I don't have to type for each profile separately. So if I go right over to here and I type in, call me to sell, call me if you are thinking of selling. It is a great time to sell. I am an expert marketer and negotiator. And again, you know what? I am going to change that from call me to PM me, because I really just hate sticking my phone number out there for everybody. So let's say PM me, okay? Because then I can block them if I get somebody weird contacting me. And again, now let's add my hashtags. And let's add hashtag LB. Okay, and now that's ready to go at 5:25. It's already 5:21. Let's go look at the posts. It's going to go to my LinkedIn, and it is going to go to Twitter. And let's hit Save to Posts. And I'll give that a few minutes, then I'll come back and I'll show you what that looks like when it posts. Okay, see you in a few. Okay, I am back. It is 5:26 and our stuff should have posted. So we were posting to LinkedIn and Twitter. So let's check it out. I got Twitter open right here. Let me hit refresh. And there's my Twitter post. Okay, so that looks great on our Twitter account here. I like the way it looks. It's bright, it's happy. And now I'm going to go over to LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn, when I first come to LinkedIn, it was on my home page. And I'm like, where are my posts? I couldn't see my post anywhere. So what I found is you have to hit here, and let's hit on Manage Posts and Activity. And here's my post. And it says it posted 3 minutes ago. And I like the way it looks. And that's certainly easy. If I'm going to post to one, I might as well post to them all at the same time. So that is why I like later.com. If you have several social media accounts, it can get cumbersome and you really, you just get tired of it. So you can, while you're having your coffee or tea once a week, sit down and schedule them all. And maybe even once a month, if you're not, you can filter it in with your live Facebook videos if you're really active on social media and you want to pepper it in with some other special stuff, go ahead. If you're not that active on social media, at least it gives you some kind of a presence if someone goes to check you out. You don't want to look like you have nothing going and you don't post at all. Okay, that's it, guys. That was later.com. It is a posting program that lets you post several of your social media profiles at once. On the free account, you are limited to 10 posts for each social media profile. And you figure that's two and a half each week in a typical month. Okay. And again, remember, we scheduled those 4 to go off Saturday morning. So I'll check Saturday morning and make sure they went. Have a great day. Bye-bye.